comic books. Superheroes are his thing. He reads them to his pets, and as soon as he leaves, they transform into power birds. Super courageous and super kind. Power birds, saving the day one page at a time. When trouble comes to the city, get ready.
Let's get this one to count. Now I'm drawing the all out. I got this fusion out of nowhere. Tonight, that's why tonight, for this special, alright, I don't know what I'm saying. I picked this up out of nowhere. Tonight we're drawing the fusion of Granola and Jiren, otherwise known as JIROLAH. Well, I don't know how to say this. Let's get started.
Jeden kluk má rád komiksy, superhrdiny nejvíc. Spoj, teď je svým mazlíčkům rád, když odejde pryč, rusko promění nás. Powerbirds, super odvážní a své úkoly znají. Powerbirds, zachrání svět, koukej na jejich let. Když na město číhají trable, tak se připrav, je čas jít. Naši super ptáci ti hned vylepší tvůj den. Powerbirds, zachrání svět, s nimi jsou...
Goku challenged this fusion to battle in order to prepare himself for the battle against the strongest. I'm talking about Budo, Takira, Yoshido, and Akuma. Sorry about that. I don't know why this thing has different languages.
Que adora bebês, cantando super-heróis. Prepara os animais e assim ele sai, eles transformam-se. Powerbirds, são corajosos e são especiais.
Here's the arm. This is just a what-if story. And a question for you. What would happen if Jiren and Granola were to meet and were to find a way to fuse? That'd be a very interesting idea. What do you guys believe? Is it possible for Jiren and Granola to meet and then learn how to do the fusion dance? That would be an idea that no one's ever gotten the chance to do. But I'd be happy to show you guys it. I feel like Toki is Japanese for bird. You remember Toki Toki? Here are the fingers for Granola's, Jirenola's arms. Well. This is new. Sorry I didn't say much on this, but glad I got to draw this guy. Anyhow, that's how you draw the Granola Jiren Fusion. That's all for now. And, I better head out. I've got dinner plans tonight. Good night.